Hi, my name is Julian and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can buy Euphoria step by step, plus how you can stake it for these insane APY wires. Now I just want to give you a heads up, this isn't financial advice. What I'm sharing with you is just a step-by-step guide on how you can stake it. I'm not recommending this project, but I'm just sharing with you, like I mentioned, how you can stake it. Please risk what you're willing to lose. These are highly risky projects, just a heads up. Truly beware of the high risk that these projects have. For example, Wondershare, same example. They are high risk. As much as they're all hyped up right now, it is extremely high risk. So first up, what you need to do is get your hands on Harmony One, because this is on the Harmony One network. So the first step is you need to come to an exchange. Any exchange, it doesn't matter. You need to buy Harmony One. So first up, I'm going to do this on Binance Exchange, which is the biggest exchange pretty much in the world. If you want a link in description, I'll put a link in the description for Binance. You can do this on SwiftX if you're from Australia. I'm pretty sure they have Harmony One on there as well, which I'm positive you can buy it directly on SwiftX. So I'll leave a link in description as well if you're from Australia or New Zealand. So first up, I'm going to need to get Harmony One. So how you can do this is multiple ways. You can buy Harmony One directly on here. So as you can see, I'm just buying by credit card, but it doesn't really matter how you do it. You just need to get Harmony One. So as you can see, Harmony One is 0.4, so 40 cents per one, and you can buy it directly on here using your credit card or debit card with Pay ID, or you can do other areas here. I already have BNB. I already have some BNB to swap to get to Harmony One. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to go to my wallet, fiat and spot. So I'm on that now, and I'm going to swap this cryptocurrency over to Harmony One. So I'll show you how easy it is to do this on Binance as well. So as you can see, I have 0.11 BNB. What I'm going to do is go to the top right here. I'm going to go to the little trade bar here, and I'm going to go down to classic. I'll show you how simple it really is to exchange. So now you need to, on this little search bar on the top right here, you need to type in 1. And I need to go to the 1/BNB because that's what I'm using to swap it to. Now down here you need to click on the market. Next you need to click on this one here. You want to buy Harmony One. I'm not selling Harmony One, so I'm selling BNB for Harmony One. So buy 100% of it. You can put in the amount that you want to buy as well, but I'm just putting in the full amount. So now I should have Harmony One in my wallet. So what I do now is go to wallet underscore, go to the drop down and click on fiat and spot. Alright, now as you can see here, I've got Harmony One in my Binance Exchange wallet. So now I need to get that over to MetaMask. So I've made a video on this, but how to actually add Harmony One. It is my other latest video that I've created. If you want the link in the description will be how to add Harmony One mainnet. So you need to be on the Harmony One main. So don't send this to your Binance Smart Chain net or Ethereum mainnet. Make sure you have Harmony One added to MetaMask. So you need to send Harmony One to your MetaMask. So how you do this is once you've got Harmony One added, like I mentioned, the video will be in the description if you want to know how to add Harmony One network. Once you've got Harmony One added, just click on it. Make sure you're on the network here. It should say 1 on the top here. So now as you can see, we're on the Harmony One network, but I want to give you a heads up. You can't actually directly use the wallet address on Harmony One network. You can't use the directly wallet here. This is your wallet. This is your address here. But if you try to put it in, it actually comes up saying address doesn't recognize it. So the format doesn't recognize. So what you need to do is go to the Harmony blockchain website here. So it's explorer.harmony.one. And I'll leave a link in the description for this as well. And all you need to do here is take your MetaMask wallet address, your Harmony One wallet address here, and copy it into here. And now this is your actual wallet address that you need. It even comes up with your balance, so you know for sure this is your correct wallet. So now you need to copy this address, go back to Binance, and you can do this on any exchange, by the way. It works the same. And then you just click on the max amount that you want to send, and as you can see, it's working now, and you just click withdraw. Now you can do a test run with this to make sure it gets to your wallet correctly, and just do a small amount and then see if it works, and if it does, then you can just go put the full amount in. So I'm just putting my security information here, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, I've completed the withdrawal. It can take up to 12 hours. just to be aware that there could be a delay on getting your Harmony 1 in your wallet. So just keep an eye on that. You also keep an eye on the down below. I'll show you where. Hang on. Keep an eye on this here because I've had it a couple times rejected. As you can see, it's been rejected a few times. You need to make sure this actually gets processed. If it doesn't get processed, then you just try again and you should have no problem. Alright, so as you can see, I have got my Harmony 1 in my MetaMask wallet now. So the next step is I'm just going to show you how that you can add Euphoria. So what I'm going to do is go to Gecko and just search up Euphoria here, this word here. Find it on CoinGecko, and I'll leave a link in the description for this as well. Take this contract address here, go back to your MetaMask wallet. Once again, make sure you're on the Harmony 1 network. Go below down here and click on import token. Just copy and paste that contract address and everything else should appear once you have added it. I've already got it added, so it won't appear for me. But as you can see, I've got it here. Wagma. So it's called Euphoria. Once again, just search up that. So next step is you need to go to Euphoria, the website itself, which you can find that once again here. If you click on here, it should load up Euphoria. Now you need to enter the app, and then, so once you've entered the app, it will most likely want you to connect your wallet. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. So as you can see, it will ask you to connect your wallet here. Just click connect. You can connect any other wallet here using this, or you can use MetaMask directly. Now your wallet is connected. Now what you can do next is you need to buy it on ViperSwap. So you just need to swap it. So click on the ViperSwap here. I'll leave a link in the description for this as well. So now you need to do this. You need to go to the drop down tab and click on Harmony 1, as you can see here. It shows you the balance, how much you have. So what you need to do now is swap max, or however many you want to swap. So maybe you just want to swap 218. You just put that in and then you should be right to go. I'll put in 216 and then I'll click swap. Also make sure to have your slippage at 0.5. Sometimes you might need to have it at 1 to 2 to 3 or higher. Otherwise it could come up with some errors. So we'll put ours at 1%. Alright, so now we're just going to click swap and confirm swap. Once we've confirmed the swap, the tab on the right will come up asking us to confirm it once again. You've already added this. So if you haven't, just click here if you want to add it. But you've already added it, so we're all right. If you don't see Wagma pop up here, all you do is click on this, go back to CoinGecko, click the address again, click the contract address and go back to ViperSwap, and you just need to put in the contract address right there, which has already been showing up here, and Euphoria, as you can see, pops up. So if it doesn't appear there, that's how you add it, so you can swap. So there you go. Make sure your slippage is at 1%. So now we can go back to the website. Once the transaction has been confirmed and we've got the Euphoria in our wallet, as you can see, it's still pending. Alright, so now that we've got the Euphoria in our wallet, now all you do is come back to this website that we were on before. Make sure you click enter the app and make sure you have your wallet connected. Alright, so now you come back to this website here on Euphoria and you just type in the amount that you wish to stake. So it depends on how much you want to stake. You will have to refresh this page, so make sure you refresh this page before you stake. So just like refresh it and then just put in as much as you wish to stake. I'm going to stake everything that I've got in my wallet of Euphoria, and I'm just going to click stake. So now once again it should pop up a tab on the right here. Alright, sorry, I clicked too many times there. Alright, so as you can see here, you just click confirm. Alright, so now the tab pops up, you just need to click confirm and then just reject all the others because I accidentally spammed it a bit too many times. Don't panic about that, that's just me declining them. So now as you can see, it's just pending. So once it's completed, it will let you know. You'll have a little bar that comes up on the right somewhere telling you that it's being confirmed and you have staked your Euphoria. Alright, so as you can see, it's been confirmed on the bottom right, you can see. So now I'm also going to share with you how you can unstake it if you wish to unstake it at some point. So all you do is go to the same tab here, you might have to refresh this, but if you want to unstake it, you just go to the unstake tab and type in the amount that you want to unstake. This is your balance here, and this is how much you're going to get rewarded next time. So if you want to unstake how much you want to unstake, you just go to 0.1 and click approve, and a tab will come up on the side here, and you just want to confirm it. Now I don't want to unstake mine, so I'm going to reject this, but that's how you will unstake. It's the same way that you staked it, you just unstake. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions below, let me know in the description. If you could like the video, if it have helped you in any way. Thanks for watching, and I will be back with a new video very soon. If you have any suggestions as well for me, let me know in the description as well. If you have anything that you want me to make, any guides at all, I'll be happy to help you. I'll see you next time.